Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to cover another most important topic in perspective of your PMP exam, that is PMO. PMO stands for Project Management Office. I'm pretty sure you will definitely get some questions in your PMP exam based on the types of PMO. So understanding of types of PMO will help you choosing the right answer of some questions. So let's understand what is PMO and its types. First, note down that PMO is a department. PMO is a organization, a structure which is established within your organization to manage this and support the project to achieve project deliverables and objectives. So let's see the definition of PMO which is given in the PMO Guide Edition 6. This is PMO is an organization structure that standardizes project governance process. Also provide resources, methodology, tools and techniques. So PMO normally provide the standardized project governance process, provide the framework for to run the project and also provide the resources, methodology, tools and techniques required for the project. Supporting to the project managers. So primary responsibility of PMO is to support to the project managers to run the project and to achieve the project objectives and deliverables. Also PMO provide trainings, coaching, mentoring, expertise as required from the project. Also PMO provide facilitating organizational process assets. OPO, as you know, the part of PMO which you need for your project process, procedure and policies that comes from the PMO. PMO is facilitating OPA. Now PMO also provide templates. PMO providing project management support functions to the direct management of one or more projects. So apart from giving support to the project managers by providing the training, facilitating OPA and templates, tools, techniques and software, PMO sometimes directly manage one or more projects. It depends type of PMO. Now let's see types of PMO. So there are three types of PMO given in PMO Guide Edition 6, that are supportive, controlling and directive. So let's see one by one their roles in the project. Supportive PMO, controlling PMO and directive PMO role in the project. First, supportive PMO act as a consultative role. They supportive PMO work as a consultative role. They provide facilities, training, templates, offer advice, best practices, lesson learned they provide from the similar projects. They also provide forms, software for the projects, and they also provide information from similar projects if it is required for the project. Their control on the project is very low because they don't involve directly into the project. They just offer support from their office in terms of providing training, templates, tools and techniques lesson learned. Now let's see second type of PMO, that is controlling PMO. Controlling PMO provide support and compliance. They provide support and the same times they want to comply by the project team. That means they have moderate control on the project. They also define project governance frameworks. They define the project governance frameworks. So means they create the process, procedures, conditions, environment in which project will be operate. Also controlling PMO require templates, forms and tools. They define project management activities. So they define, okay. They also requires communications to be defined into the project, and their degree of control is moderate. So their control on the project is moderate, not low, and not high, but they have moderate control on the project. Let's see now third type of PMO, directive PMO. Project manager is part of PMO. Here, directive PMO normally control and manage the projects directly. So the project managers working on the project, those are part of the PMO and they directly report to the PMO office. So the directive PMO control is high on the project. So these are the types of PMO we discuss: supportive, direct, controlling, and PMO. Hope you will understand. And if there is any issues with this, let's put the comments in the comments box. I will definitely try to explain. So that was all about the PMO and types of PMO which we already discussed. Now we ended up with this video. There is a request. Please like, comment and share. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and to reach to the more PMP aspirants. Thank you for watching.